everyone, this is Cindy. I'm 54, so anti-aging is always my ultimate goal of my life on a constant basis. I am thankful to my genetics, but however, daily maintenance and a home skincare routine is super important to have that habit every day, morning and night, to make sure that the skin is in the best condition. And today, this video is something that I would love to introduce to you. So this is the device that I've been using for the past 8 weeks. This is the DermRays Revive Laser Home Skincare Device. I'm just bare-faced, I have a little bit of lip balm and I have some eye cream around my eyes, and then that's it. The rest of the skin just in this bare form condition. I'm going to talk about the technical side of the machine, but I'm not going to go into it too much. You can read it on their website, but I would like to share my personal user experience because I think that is more important to you than telling the technical stuff. But I'm not a scientist, I'm not an engineer, I can only read the scripts, let's be honest. But with the machine, we only can tell it whether it's working is by the results, correct? So today I'm mainly just focusing my video on my experience and the areas that have the most improvements and what this machine has done for me and improved my skin conditions. And also I'm going to do a demo with the device to show you the best, safest way to use this machine to achieve the best results when you're using it at home, and also the features, and I'll give you loads of tips along the way. So without further ado, let's dive into it. And let's talk about my experience and which areas and what conditions it has improved my skin since I've been using it from the beginning of January 2026. So obviously I can't do anything about the fine lines under my eyes because this is something that you cannot use under your eyes, but the pores around down the side of my nose has been noticeably reduced because it used to be really enlarged pores, especially when I put foundation on. And even though after I put the foundation on, I can see large pores, but now I put foundation on and then it just feels like nice and smooth, especially the past 3 weeks. I can see that when I apply makeup, it's getting easier and the pores just like, I don't notice it at all. And also the lines between my eyebrows here, you can see if I push it, but if I don't push it now, you can't really even notice it. I lose a certain amount of elasticity by aging. I am 54, let's face it, but you can see that I still have enough amount of collagen under my skin. I'm thankful to this device that because this one has a function that to boost collagen reproduction, because it can go as deep as to the dermis and then do some repairing and then boosting the collagen reproduction, and also like the little fine lines, the lines around here, the sappy dark lines, this bit used to have, I can pinch like this, used to be, but now not anymore. This is like my cheeks now, but used to be this bit down the side of my mouth. I used to be able to pinch up quite a lot, but now you can see that it's pretty smooth. You don't really, you can see there's not that much of a raise. It used to be like this. And on the other side is the same, but you can see here, this side is always more than this side, and this side is gone down as well. So it used to be, I can feel this is a little lump there, but now it's not that much, but I'll always try to concentrate a little bit more but with the machine, and also for the jowls here. And you see, I have to try really hard now to see that double chin, but you can see from the top, from the front, from the side, I don't have the double chin anymore, because with the machine you can use it under the chin area, under the jawline. My jawline is quite smooth. You can see it's such a defined line, which I'm very pleased because so wanted to have that defined chiseled jawline that I'm very happy with it. You can see if I put my hand, I give a little bit of a contrast. You can see there's no droopy pocket there anymore. DermRays Revive is one of those first, only the professional laser now for home use. It can rejuvenate the skin is the gold standard that clinically proven to work. This machine is powered by the 1064 nm gold standard laser for real collagen renewal. This clinic grade 1064 nm laser penetrates deep to rebuild our natural collagen structure from within, dramatically softening crow's feet, laugh lines, and forehead creases. Achieve a flawless, even-toned complexion. It's scientifically optimized to safely break down stubborn pigment clusters that cause age spots and sun damage, revealing your own naturally bright, luminous skin. And also it can restore youthful firmness and a lifted look by reactivating our skin's deep regenerative process, leading to a visible tighter jawline and firmer feeling skin. This is the machine for us to get a professional results without the clinic visits and the amount of money that we have to spend. This is your one-time investment for a lifetime of professional graded treatments in just 10 minutes a day on your schedule, and is backed by rigorous independent clinical trials, SGS certified, and is FDA cleared for absolute at-home safety. Next, let me just demonstrate how to use this machine. And this machine is powered by the mains, so you plug it in, and then there are a handle here, there are two buttons there, and this is the laser outlet. On the laser outlet there, these four little knots here, they are the sensors. So you have to have the sensors touching the skin, and then the laser would release the pulse, and otherwise it won't. So the machine is designed very safely. And also the glass here has that cooling function to it, so you won't feel any discomfort or burning sensations while you're doing your treatments. And let me just switch it on now. You just hold this top button for 2 seconds. You heard that beep, haven't you? You can see that now on the top, this light has gone on. And this machine has 3 power settings. So this is on the power setting 1. So if I press the button again, so now it's power strength number 2. And then you can see the 3 lights, the whole lights are lit up. So this is the highest power. And then you can see, and here the machine is turned on, and then the lighting is gone on in the device. So this is only tell you that the device is being switched on, but for releasing the laser, you have to press the bottom button. So once you switch on the bottom button, make sure that you're not directly pointing the outlet device around your eyes or into your eyes, or don't look into it. Make sure that it's always tilted down, and then start to press the nozzle here onto the areas that you want to treat. And so now we're going to switch on the laser. So I'm going to angle it away from me, so you can hear now that the laser switch on. You can see the light has changed into green. And so now I'm going to just do it over here, because this is the problem area. But you can see that I haven't used the machine onto my skin for a little while. The laser has switched off, so I need to switch it back on. So now the green light is coming back on. So if I just pointing it directly onto the skin, you can see now it's releasing. Did you hear that? It's a beep and then release. Just use this stamping motion, always inward out. I prefer this stamping movement. Do it slightly overlap a little bit, because you can cover all the areas of the skin. And then you can see, you feel no pain. You can see the red laser light, and then just go over here. I'll go over the jawline, under the chin here. Stamp. There's no pain, nice and cool. You can see the skin is not red after I've treated the area, and it doesn't turn red or burning or anything. If you want to just concentrate, just go over it twice. And then for the neck, I always cover this thyroid area. So I'm not going to go over into it too much, so I'm just going over the lines. You can see the light is changing. When it releases the laser, it changes into blue. And also there's another way you can use, which is gliding. I do not like gliding because there's no medium needed for the laser to work, which is like a professional laser. If you glide, you have to hold the skin. You can't glide like this, because that's pulling your skin, which is not good. So you have to hold the area you want to apply the device onto it. Just hold it the opposite way, and then you go the opposite way. So you do this. I don't like the gliding, so I'm always use stamping, but see how you feel when you get a machine yourself. So I just like, and then hold the nose, go over the nose area, the laughing line, and then here, this area, the large pores, but don't go over the eye socket area. If you're not certain, always draw a line with lip liner or eyeliner, because that can be very dangerous. Just don't go too close around the eye socket. This can be only used over bony areas. And then, so here's the underneath of the cheek. Always go like, push it up a little bit, do it under it, because this is quite big. There's some muscles underneath there. And so you want to boost the collagen reproduction around there. So make sure the cheeks look nice and plump. So make sure that we have that useful look to it. So you got the gist of it now. And then for the forehead, and then I just go sideways. So not going to the eyebrows. So you can see sometimes if the angle is not right, it doesn't release any pores. You can see that didn't. So now make sure just twist it a little bit. For example, I'll go back to the middle bit between my eyebrows, make sure that those lines are get stamped properly. And then, or you can start from under the eyes. Just let me finish off the other side as well. Make sure it goes under the nose, because when we're aging, the base of the nose loses volume as well. You can see it doesn't make it red or burning or anything. There's no stinging sensation. And then I'll finish the face just under the jawline. You can just go all the way along the jawline, and then cover up the thyroid area and just do the sides, and then that's it. So you just switch off. You can see the laser is being switched off, and then now the routine is done. And then just safely switch off the machine by holding it 2 seconds. Now it's done. When you start to use the machine, you can use it 3 times a week for the first month, and then you can reduce it down to twice a week for the following 4 weeks. And then after that, you can just do once a week for maintenance going forward. So it's a very time-friendly home use device. And you can see that my skin tone is very even. There's no dark patches of pigmentation, and it's not visible. The camera is not very friendly. They highlight all the problems when I'm on the screen. So I'm very pleased. Like now, I just probably can put some eye makeup on and put some lipstick on. At the moment, I only got some balm on. So I'm pretty happy just to go out like this. And so for someone who is 54 years old, and shamelessly to say that I'm very happy with the skin that I've got. So thank you for DermRays for sending me this beautiful machine to improve my skin. So I hope all my audience, you will get it. I'm not just here to try to flog your machine. You can take my words for it. It's definitely one of those things that it does work. This laser is professional level laser, but they made it safe to be used at home. So trust me on this. I'm so thankful for DermRays to send me this device for me to test, and they have given me a code, which I'm going to leave it on the screen, is Sanecyndy Save. You would save $150 if you use this code to purchase a machine on their official website, which I'm going to link in the description box. And thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope today's video very useful. You've taken away with all my good tips, and when it comes to anti-aging and improve the conditions of your skin for home care, and with this beautiful professional level laser device, and with the help of it, you can tell that my skin has gone much better in weeks. So happy with the result. And I'll be continuing to use this, and then you will see me by the summer. I'll look like 40. I'm only joking. Anyways, so that's the take from today. Edit the device and then use my code SanecyndySave on the official website. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give my video a like. And forward it to your friends if they are into anti-aging skincare as well. And till my next video, I'll see you then. Bye bye. Bye. Good skin. Bye.